Today I'll show you exactly how I master stuff. So this track is for a client and let's master it. First of all, I get an EQ that would cut out anything below 20 Hz just in case if there's some frequencies there. You might not hear it, but like the speakers will try to play it and it's gonna take energy away from the song. Get a brickwall limiter to limit 1 to 2 decibels of the loudest part of the song. Alright, now I would apply soft compression, 1 to 2 decibels. Then I would get a parametric EQ to cut out any like really bad frequencies that pop out in the mix. The highs are a bit loud in this track, so I'll definitely cut out a bit from there. Now I know this is really stupid, but I'll actually like bring down the volume again after I've compressed so much, so I can just apply saturation and other things later. Now I would get a dynamic EQ to sort of balance out the mix in case there are some frequencies popping out here and there. We want to make the mix as balanced as possible. In this case, especially the highs. Get an Ozone EQ and set the EQ type to mid and side. Now cut out all the lows from the side. Now link the channels and cut out a bit from the 3.4 kHz because that's a really sensitive place. Get an imager and make 4 bands. Make sure everything below 200 Hz is completely mono. You can then adjust the stereo width for each band as you like, not too much, not too low. You can get a multi-band compressor if you want, but I don't think this mix needs it. It's usually like dubstep that like really needs this kind of stuff. Now get a maximizer and lower the ceiling by 5 decibels just because, and increase it later using another compressor. Adjust the threshold as necessary. I find that if you leave 5 decibels of headroom, -7 decibels threshold is pretty good. Finally on the master, I get another Ozone limiter and make a -1 dB and make sure you turn on the true peak. Now let's A/B compare how it sounds before and after mastering. Well, you know how to master now. Good luck, buddy.